Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x to power 3. This is equal to I. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here. Now, we have that I is the same thing as square root of minus 1. And therefore, I squared, this is the same thing as square root of negative 1 squared. And this implies that I squared, this is the same thing as minus 1. So this implies that if we have I squared times I, this is the same thing as minus 1 times I. So this implies that I to power 3, this is the same thing as minus I. Now from this, we have that x to power 3, this is equal to I. So the first step is to take I on the left hand side so that we have x to power 3 minus I. This is equal to 0. Now this is the same thing as x to power 3 plus into the parentheses minus I. This is equal to 0. Now from what we have here, we have that minus I is the same as I to power 3. Minus I is the same thing as I to power 3. So let's substitute this. So this is x to power 3 plus I to power 3. This is equal to 0. Now from this equation, we can let A be equal to x and B be equal to I. So this implies that this equation is in the form of A to power 3 plus B to power 3, which is the sum of two cubes, which we can express as A plus B. Also, we can express as A squared minus A times B plus B squared. So this implies that from what we have here, this is x plus I. Into the parentheses, we have x squared minus xi, then plus I squared. This is equal to 0. So from this, we have two parts here. The first part is x plus I. This is equal to 0. The second part here is x to power 2. Subtract xi, then plus I squared. This is equal to 0. So this implies that the first solution here, which is x1, is equal to minus I. This is the first solution we have. X is equal to minus I. And then the second part is a quadratic equation here, which is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. From the first part here, x is equal to minus I. So this is the first solution that we have. The second part is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to, we have minus I, and then c is equal to, we have I to power 3. I to power 3 in this case, this is equal to, from here, this is the same thing as minus, it's the same thing as minus 1. Remember, this is I squared times I. So here we have a coefficient of minus 1. So we have minus 1. So applying the quadratic formula, that is x2, x3, this is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. Substituting the values of a, b, and c, here we're going to have minus I then plus or minus the square root of b squared, this is minus I squared, then subtract 4 times a is 1, then times c is minus 1, divided by 2 times 1. So this is the same thing as minus times minus I. So this is I, then plus or minus the square root of minus I squared. This is the same thing as I squared, then plus, this is minus 4 times minus 1, this is plus 4, then divided by 2. So this implies that here we have I plus or minus the square root of I squared, this is the same thing as minus 1. So this is minus 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So this implies here we have I plus or minus the square root of minus 1 plus 4, this is 3 divided by 2. So this implies that x2 here is equal to, this is I plus square root of 3 divided by 2. And we have that x3 is equal to I minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So in this case, we have 3 solutions. We have 3 solutions. We have 3 solutions to this problem. That is x1 is equal to minus I. We have x2 is equal to I plus square root of 3 divided by 2. And x3 equal to I minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So these are the 3 solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly subscribe, like and subscribe.